A tragic incident unfolded at the Halfway Tree police station in St Andrew, resulting in the deaths of a detective sergeant and a well-known businessman. Preliminary reports indicate that on Monday afternoon, the businessman, Mr Singh, who was charged with fraud and remanded in custody, was being escorted from court. During the transfer, a tussle ensued between Mr Singh and the detective sergeant. Another police officer intervened, but Mr Singh managed to disarm him and then used the officer's firearm to shoot the detective sergeant before turning the gun on himself. Both men were pronounced dead at the scene. Investigators from the Major Investigation Division and the Police High Command are currently examining the circumstances surrounding the incident. This incident has sparked many questions, particularly why Mr Singh was not handcuffed like a regular prisoner. It appears that because his offence was considered a white-collar crime, the police may not have perceived him as a violent threat, leading to a different approach in handling him. This perception likely influenced the decision to not handcuff him, ultimately contributing to the tragic outcome. Concerns have been raised about the intervening officer's firearm. Typically, police holsters are designed to prevent the gun from being easily removed by anyone other than the officer. If the holster was not used correctly, or if the firearm was not secured, it could have facilitated Mr Singh's ability to disarm the officer. The officer who intervened must be feeling immense guilt and distress, as his attempt to assist inadvertently escalated the situation, leading to the deaths of both the detective sergeant and Mr Singh. This incident will likely prompt a thorough investigation into police procedures and training to prevent such occurrences in the future.